Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today I will tell you about Rollin Car Insurance. Let's start. Introduction. Rollin Car Insurance is a leading provider of auto insurance dedicated to safeguarding your vehicle and providing you with peace of mind on the road. With comprehensive coverage options, competitive rates, and exceptional customer service, Rollin Cars strive to meet all their customers' insurance needs. In this video, I will delve into the various aspects of Rollin Car Insurance, including its features, benefits, coverage options, and why it is a reliable choice for your car insurance needs. Section 1. Understanding Rollin Car Insurance. Company Overview. Rollin Car Insurance is a well-established insurance company that has been serving customers for several decades. Rollin Car's commitment to excellence, reliability, and customer satisfaction has earned us a reputable position in the insurance industry. Core values. At Rollin Car Insurance, our core values revolve around providing comprehensive coverage, transparent policies, and exceptional customer service. We believe in building long-term relationships with our customers by understanding their needs and delivering tailored insurance solutions. Coverage options. Rollin Car Insurance offers a wide range of coverage options to meet the diverse needs of vehicle owners. Our policies include liability coverage. This coverage protects you financially if you cause an accident resulting in property damage or injuries to others. Collision coverage. It covers the cost of repairing or replacing your vehicle if it is damaged in a collision with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive coverage. This coverage protects your vehicle against damage or loss caused by non-collision incidents such as theft, vandalism, fire, or natural disasters. Personal injury protection. Personal injury protection covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs resulting from injuries sustained in an accident, regardless of fault. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This coverage protects you if you are involved in an accident with a driver who has insufficient or no insurance coverage. Additional coverage options. Rollin Car Insurance also offers options for roadside assistance, rental car reimbursement, and many more. Now I will talk about benefits of Rollin Car Insurance. Section number 2, Benefits of Rollin Car Insurance. Financial protection. With Rollin Car Insurance, you can have peace of mind knowing that you are financially protected against unexpected events that may damage or total your vehicle. Our coverage options ensure that you won't face substantial out-of-pocket expenses in the event of an accident or other covered incidents. Customizable policy. We understand that every driver and vehicle have unique needs. That's why Rollin Car Insurance allows you to customize your policy based on your preferences and requirements. You can choose the coverage limits, deductibles, and additional options that best suits your situation. Competitive rates. Rollin Car Insurance strives to provide competitive rates without compromising on coverage quality. We offer affordable premiums tailored to your specific circumstances, ensuring you receive the best value for your money. Excellent customer service. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service. Our knowledgeable and friendly representatives are available to assist you throughout the insurance process, from policy selection to claims handling. We aim to provide prompt and efficient services to ensure your satisfaction. Section 3, Why choose Rollin Car Insurance? Rollin Car Insurance has built a solid reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. Rollin Car Insurance boosts our strong financial position, ensuring that we can fulfill our commitments to policyholders and settle claims promptly. Rollin Car Insurance provides user-friendly online platforms and mobile apps that allow you to manage your policy and make payments. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.